In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front outer tie rods on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove the wheel using a 21mm socket. Take the lug nuts off. Pull the wheel off. Using a 19mm wrench, loosen up this jam nut. That's loose. Using some needle nose pliers, I'm just going to take this cotter pin out. Just slide that out. Using a 17mm socket, take this nut off. Using a hammer, I'm just going to hit the top of the stud, press out the tie rod from the knuckle. There is different tools you can use, but it pops out pretty easy with a hammer. Now we're going to unscrew this, count the threads, because we want to put it back where it was when we go back together. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Take the outer tie rod, get it started, and count your threads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Move the jam nut. Line this up in the knuckle. Take the nut, get that started. Snug it down first. Torque it to 36 foot-pounds. And see if the hole lines up for the cotter pin. And take your cotter pin that goes all the way through. And take some side cutters and bend the cotter pin. And trim the excess. Now we're going to tighten up the jam nut. Use a 22mm wrench. Snug that up. If you can get a torque wrench on there, torque that to 54 foot-pounds. Put the wheel on. Get the lug nuts on. I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.